Welcome to the Tool Hut channel. This is Sam. This is going to be part 2 of a 2-part video. Part 1 is linked in the description below. It's a 99 Chevy Express. Program the PCM. Stand by. Hello, Sam from Tool Hut here. Today we're going to finish that 99 Chevy Express that we started on part 1. I'll put the link to part 1 in the description here. And we tried that with the MDI-2. Today we're going to program it with the TAC-2. So one of the things I want to explain to you is when I sell a customer a J2534 device, I always recommend no programming GMs prior or 05 and prior. And the reason for that is that they're designed to be programmed with the TAC-2. I've had great success prior to 05 with J2534, but I've also had great problems prior to 05. So if you're going to program something prior to 05, I don't care if it's the guy down the street, the guy at the dealership, make sure you have a TAC-2 available to get you out of the rut. And whatever you do, don't turn the key off in the vehicle. So I'm not saying that TAC-2 is the only way to do it. I'm telling you to have a backup plan. Be prepared to have a TAC-2 available to do the prior to 05. So we're going to go over the process of doing it with the TAC-2 today. It's going to be pretty short and sweet, and hopefully you get an idea how it works. Stand by. Okay, so I just realized I made a mistake. Mistakes are always fun, right? So the video of programming the 99 Express van is not the video that I have. The video that I have is a 99 GMC Savannah van. It's a 3/4 ton. The procedure is identical. So I guess I got two different videos. One of the Express failing. The Savannah failed exactly the same way. So it was exactly the same problem. So the procedure is exactly the same. So if anybody's keeping track of the VIN numbers, stuff like that, you're going to realize right away it's a different van. I apologize for that, but I think you can still get value out of this video. Have a great day. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go check the VIN of the PCM that's in it. It's a G van. Okay, so I got a throttle position circuit low voltage. Not really concerned with that right this minute. I just wanted to check it for code to make sure it's communicating. Go to the VIN. So there's the VIN that's in this PCM. It's not the VIN of this vehicle. It's for a V6. So it obviously won't start if you just do a theft learn. So we're going to go back out to the front. I'm going to go to Service Programming Systems. Request information. Let's see. It's a GMC. Probably told it Chevrolet over there, but I gotta tell it it's GMC here. It's a Savannah. It's a gas engine. Or petrol. And no, that is not the right VIN. So that's what I do. No. It tells me to write down the VIN. Disconnect TAC-2. So we are going to use this vehicle to power up this. We're going to go to the computer now, get on ACDelco's website, and program it. So stand by. All right, the VIN for this vehicle shows it's for a 99 Blazer. It's an S10 Blazer, 6-cylinder, 4-wheel drive. So once again, this remanufactured PCM, you could not do a theft learn on it and make it work. So this one requires programming. So very similar to the PCM from part 1, this is not a 30-minute relearn, get it to run kind of PCM. I guess I'm trying to make a point here. So there's the VIN deciphered on the PCM today. And also do the VIN on the van, just for everybody's knowledge here in just a moment. So here's the one for the Blade. First thing you need to do is you need to log in to your AC Delco account. And then we need to get this Java going here. Just like yesterday, I'm still using Java 7. And this time we're going to choose Tech2 Remote, and we're still going to tell it we're replacing it. Now, when I did the Tech2 Remote, when I requested the information, I told it no, it was not the correct VIN. As a result of that, it will not pull the VIN of that PCM up here on the next screen. No big deal. We had to type it anyway. I just wanted you to know that if you do it with J2534, it'll pull the VIN. You do it with Tech2 and it won't. And also realize the only thing you're communicating here with is the Tech2. So we are not programming the PCM at this point. So the only thing we're going to program is the Tech2. So we're going to type in the VIN here. Sorry, not a real fast typer. So get this VIN typed in here. I'm sure I got a picture of it. I will also decode that VIN like I told you. I'll do it after we're done here. I'll do it towards the end of the video. So we see we have a PCM and a theft deterrent we can do. That's Tech2 Remote, remember? So we're still going to choose the telecommunications update. Not going to go over that again. We're just going to hit next. And again, it's going, remember, all we're doing is programming the Tech2. The vehicle is not done being programmed when we're done here. And it does happen fairly quickly. You do need a few adapters or an adapter to get your Tech2 plugged into your PC or laptop, especially if you don't have a serial port, which most current laptops do not. I highly recommend, and General Motors only supports the Keyspan. It's a USA 19HS for the USB to serial adapter. I did not get a picture of the whole setup, but it does not plug into your Ethernet port. And if you're watching the Tech2 screen's going goofy right now. And just about the time it gets to the end here, it's going to beep. And now you're ready for the next step. Okay, here's the VIN of the van decoded, like I promised. It's a US built General Motors GMC truck, 8,001 to 9,000 pounds, 4x2. It is a cargo van, 3/4 ton. Again, VIN R 5.7 liter V8. I just wanted to make sure everybody understands that a theft learn, it might make the vehicle crank, but it will not start. And if it does start, it's going to run like poo. So anyway, there you go. Alright, so now our Tech2 is loaded. Go back to our Tech2, go to Service Programming Systems, we're going to go to Program ECU. Gives us the VIN number that we have piped in that's off the dash of this van. And it's going to program it here. Okay, so I know it didn't finish. I know you didn't get a picture of it, the status bar, and it showing successful. I guess you can say it's been one of those videos. I apologize. Have to take my word for it. It finishes, you get a programming successful message at the end. It says programming successful, turn off the ignition. And then you have to do a couple of things. This particular van did not start when I was done, so I was not able to do the crank learn, stuff like that. I was called to program the PCM, and that's what I did. So, thanks for watching. Questions, comments, criticisms, concerns, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when these come out. Yes, I sell this equipment. Yes, when you buy the equipment from me, you can call me with questions. I use it every day. I'm not saying I'm the best or anything like that, but I can almost always help you through a bind. ToolHutUSA.com. Have a great day.